back to Fresh Look channel. In this today's video, there is a big opportunity TCS NQT hiring I am sharing with you and complete process. What was the hiring step and everything I am going to share. So watch the video till the end so you don't miss any update and any information regarding the TCS NQT. Before that, I request you to do subscribe to our Fresher Look channel. Here I am sharing all opportunity, fresh and daily opportunities. So do subscribe to our Fresher Look channel. So let us see TCS and QT hiring. Here we are in a official TCS career page. Here we can see the TCS All India NQT hiring batch for 26, 25 and 24 is started. We can see that TCS invites top talent to apply prime digital and opportunities. So here we can see the offer category. One is a prime and second one is a digital. Here is a range they have provided from the experience 0 to 1 year, and here is experience 1 to 2 years. It is from the undergraduate and also postgraduate. It's undergraduate and postgraduate. Here we can see for a prime they are offering in experience 0 to 1 year, in an undergraduate 9.9 LPA to 9.30 LPA, and in the CTC of a PG 11.59 LPA and 11.80 LPA. In the digital they are offering for the experience 0 to 1 year is undergraduate for a 7 LPA and here in a 7.30 LPA. So this is a very good opportunity. For postgraduate they are offering 7.39 LPA and 7.60 LPA. So let us see what was the range for the 1 to 2 years. CTC range was the undergraduate. A CTC range for undergraduate they are providing 9.45 LPA to 9.66 LPA, 7.50 LPA to 7.72 LPA. The CTC range was a postgraduate for this 12.0.5 LPA and 12.26 LPA. And the another one for a digital role they are offering 7.82 LPA to 8.4 LPA. So if anybody asks you, I will show you the one of them. It's a prime digital and what about a ninja? When you go bottom like here in the FAQ section, then go to the 28 number of question here, the 28 number here. So like here, what is a CTC if I get a ninja offer, right? They have not mentioned there, but here we have the minimum CTC offered to a ninja candidate is 3.4 LPA for undergraduate students and 3.6 LPA for a PG student, it means postgraduate student. So here is the complete information you will get on a Fresher Look channel, so do subscribe to our channel. Okay, so let us see what was the eligibility. The eligibility was simple. You are from 26, 25 or 24 graduate. TCS mostly look every year they are hiring for freshers, so they will focus more on a 26 batch rather than a 25 and 24. Here we can see the registration date start date was in 18 February and the registration end date was 20 March. So it's a good, it's a 1 month we can apply. The test was in 10 March 26 onwards. Here we can see. So let us see what was the application. Your career deserves a future as bold and fast moving as you're ambitious. in the application process, here we can see the step 1 was you have to log into the next step portal, then register and apply for the drive. There are two scenarios, like there are two scenarios, like why there are two scenarios. If you are from 26, you are completely fresher and you have not any time visited to this TCS consultancy services, this platform. If you are 25 and 24 graduate, then you have a previous candidate of TCS, like, So scenario A is if you are already a registered user, it means 24 and 25 batch is the scenario A, and the scenario B was in 26 batch. If you are already registered a user under the TCS Next portal IT category, kindly log in with your TCS reference ID or a CTDT reference number. It is mandatory to click apply for a drive. Options to complete the registration. The scenario B was if you are a new user, it means 26 batch, kindly click on a register now, then choose the IT category and proceed to fill in the form. It is mandatory to click apply for a drive option to complete your registration. Okay. The application form can be filled after the test result are declared. Here you can see select the skill on which you wish to be evaluated. Okay, आपको आपका सेक्शन चूज करना है. जैसे कॉग्निजेंट के लिए क्लस्टर्स होता है, लाइक उनका एक बाय डिफॉल्ट क्लस्टर होता है फॉर जावा के लिए, फिर आपका होता है कुछ आपको अलग चाहिए तो फिर पाइथन क्लस्टर होता है, फिर सी प्लस प्लस का क्लस्टर होता है. लाइक यहाँ पर भी वैसे ही होगा कि आपको आपकी स्किल के बेसिस पे चूज करना है कि आपको कौन सा स्किल बेस्ट है आपका, लाइक जावा, पाइथन, सी प्लस प्लस, क्लाउड, मल्टी क्लाउड, एनीथिंग. For this step 4, select in center mode for the test. For the test you have to select in center mode for the test and choose your 3 preferred test centers and click apply. So आपको यहाँ पे 3 लोकेशन चूज़ करना पड़ेगा जो आपको आपके लिए बहुत इजी होगा वहाँ पे जाना. वहाँ पे अगर बहुत जल्दी मतलब सुबह का ड्राइव होगा आपका तो वहाँ पे आपको जाने के लिए बहुत इजी होगा. ऐसे 3 लोकेशन आपको चूज़ करने हैं, देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन अप्लाई. काइंडली नोट दैट एलोकेशन ऑफ द टेस्ट सेंटर विल डिपेंड ऑन अ सेंटर अवेलेबिलिटी. ओके, वट एवर द सेंटर अवेलेबिलिटी दैट यू विल गेट इट. स्टेप 5 वॉज इन सिलेक्ट 3 प्रेफर्ड जॉब सिटीज़. ओके, वहाँ पर आपको जॉब सिटीज़ भी पूछेंगे, आपको वहाँ पे भी फिल करना पड़ेगा. To confirm your status, track your application. The status should reflect as applied for that drive. If this will not show, then you have not applied for a drive. एंड TCS आपका कुछ भी कंडक्ट नहीं करेगा अगर वहाँ पर ये ऑप्शन नहीं दिखा रहा है. तो जब आप ये ट्रैक योर एप्लीकेशन चूज़ करोगे, क्लिक करोगे, तब अगर ये दिखा रहा है तभी आपने अप्लाई फॉर ड्राइव किया है और आप तभी के लिए अपीयर होगे TCS के एनी ऑफ द exam. Okay, so let us see what was the important note the TCS page have been provided. You must have all your original documents date up to submitted on an interview if interview shortlisted. Communication related test will be provided an official test partner. TCS does not send any hiring related. TCS does not ask candidate to deposit money for any employment offer. TCS are not associated with any external agency. So do not meeting the TCS eligibility criteria is mandatory. We will review the candidate eligibility, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in a comment, but you choose a better to email ID or a call number. Here you can call them, here you can mail them, so they will reach out to you, and you have to reach out to the TCS when you have a doubt. It's very necessary when you have something doubt, you have to reach out that person, specific person or specific company. So here they have provided the number and the mail, and here you can see the FAQ. You can read for your kind of information, and I request you to do all fill this form whoever 26, 25, 24 batch. This is one of the biggest opportunity and biggest hiring in the TCS. 25 and 24 they are considering for this, so this is a very good opportunity in a TCS. So do apply, and if you want how to prepare for a 1 month plan, if you comment 1 month plan I will share with you. So first of all do this, apply this opportunity and prepare smartly. That's it. This is a very good opportunity, and do read. And if you want how to fill this for 26 batch, then comment how to fill. I will show you how to fill. I will fill the form and I will show you to how to where what what was the it means everything I will share with you. So do subscribe to our Fresher Look channel. Here I am bringing new fresh job opportunity every day. Thanks for watching.